Welcome to Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we show you what to do after creating a surface mesh using the automatic surface mesh functionality. We have posted several videos already showing the different options and parameters that you have inside the automatic surface mesh functionality. Those videos, in case you're interested, are going to be linked in the description. What I'm going to do now is just use all the default settings, select my geometry, and use the automatic surface mesh tool to very quickly create a surface mesh in an automatic way. So now that your surface grid has been created, you might find yourself asking, well, now what? So it is important to keep in mind that the automatic surface mesh functionality is not only going to create your surface grid in an automatic way, but it's also going to set things up in such a way so that if you need to modify your surface mesh in any way, you can do it using the regular Pointwise tools that you already know. For example, let's say I want to be able to select this connector here in the pylon and change its dimension from 30 to 40. I can use the regular tools and do that. Also, as an example, we can see that in this particular region right here on the pylon, I have T-Rex or anisotropic cells. Let's assume I don't want T-Rex in there. So I can very quickly select these two domains, go to the T-Rex solver. In particular, I'm going to look at the boundary conditions, and just using the regular tools, I can change this boundary condition to the unspecified boundary condition, go to the solver, refine, okay, and voila. Now I only have isotropic cells in that particular region. Main idea of this video is to show you that after you have used the automatic surface mesh functionality to create your surface mesh in an automatic way, things are set up so that if you need to modify or edit your grid in any way, you can do it using the regular Pointwise tools and the processes that you already know. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.